Hello again, everybody, with a brand new market update. So, in this episode, we are going to discuss about the previous call, and I'm going to try to analyze BTC and tell you where it could be going and where we could start buying some BTC and entering longs in the overall market during this week and these upcoming days. So without further ado, let's get started with the BTC dominance, which is down. Today it is around 61.4%, and this is why some alts have been pumping. And we have this bad boy right here, basic attention token. Now this is actually the call that I gave in the previous episode. This is more of a mid-term long, a mid-term swing position. So yes, I am still anticipating much bigger returns. However, it is awesome to see the call working out. And if we go here to the daily, actually from the place that I called, which was around here, all the way to where we are right now, we're looking at around 28%. It was at a 30% gain. However, in a matter of 2 to 3 days, that's a lot of money to be made. Now, my long term or my mid term view on this coin, where I can see it next month, because this is a call to be held for a month, for several weeks. So don't expect it to absolutely rocket in a day or two and we are out. No. So from the entries all the way to here, which is my first target, actually let's target the moving average as a first target, and this could be 100% profit. So yeah, and my second target would be around here, around this week's right here, which is a very possible target, and that's around 140% profit. So yes, I am very happy to see this call working out right now. See also here on the USD Tether pair, we saw quite a significant push, like almost 20%. So on the USD Tether pair, I am targeting, first target could be around here, 40 cents, around 40 cents, 0.4 could be the first target for this coin. However, the real target for this coin is around all-time highs right here, around 0.45. That could be a very nice target for the USD pair, which is roughly from the entry towards that region, it's about 50%. So yes, keep this in mind. For now, we are in a nice reversal. Now let's hope this continues to hold and reverses. One thing also to mention is this trend line right here. Okay, you could easily break it, retest it, and continue higher, lift off. So yeah, this is my basic attention token analysis. Now I will go to BTC. Now what happens here on BTC, first I want to show you this weekly candle. Very ugly weekly candle. Now let me actually show you what I believe could be happening based on previous history. So let's go to the daily right here, and what could be happening here with BTC. Wait a little bit, I'm sorry. Yes, right here we saw a very ugly red candle, just like this one. Very ugly red candle. We did continue a little bit lower, however we absolutely skyrocketed after that. So I am not paying a lot of attention. What the fuck? Sorry. Yes, I am not really paying a lot of attention on this weekly candle. However, it is something to take into consideration, as I do believe for now, as I said in my telegram, we could be going a little bit lower just to test the moving average. Now, one thing I want to tell you, the moving average in an uptrend could be tested, okay, such as this one. It could be tested multiple times and continue higher. So what happened right here? Everybody was calling, oh my god, what an ugly red candle, what an ugly red candle. However, we tested the moving average and we continued higher. The same, almost the same, happened around here, and we continued higher. And now what could be a retest of the moving average around $10,000 to $9,800. And please take a look. $10,000 aligns perfectly with a retest of this resistance, now turning into support, just like this. Okay, so a pretty valid level to be tested. And then, so after we go a little bit lower, then then absolute rocket to $16,000, as this could be one of a crazy move to the upside. However, for now, I don't really think BTC could see an uptrend. So yeah, now let's go to XRP and analyze XRP a little bit. Right here, XRP, as I said, this region right here, I mean, take a look how important this region is. Why would I go long here when I can easily buy around this important support and then skyrocket? So yes, XRP move down here, we accumulate, and then we lift off to 55. I think the target is, let me look at the weekly, yes, 51 actually the first target, and the second target could be around 58. So yeah, this is my view on XRP. I still believe this support right here is a very important region. It could peak around 38 cents, so 0.38 to 0.37. okay, could be a great place to start buying more and more and more. Now move on to Cardano. The same could happen. Actually, on Cardano, one thing that could happen, and don't panic if it happens, we could see a push all the way down to 0.60. And when we see that push, oh my god, what a great long entry, because this can absolutely skyrocket. This coin still has a lot of potential to go higher. So take a look. We could easily see a push down to this green box, where we also have the moving average. Test it one more time and then absolutely rocket. This is for Cardano. Now NEO, one of my favorite coins. Let's take a look at NEO. What could happen here with NEO? We can see a test of the moving average. As I said, uptrend, we can test the moving average as much as we want. However, what can happen if we test the moving average? Well, please take a look. Resistance broken, and now could be tested as a support and then continue even higher. And I do believe, now let me show you one thing very interesting, is the BTC dominance. Now if we go to the weekly, please take a look how significant this region is. So we saw a push, one failed, another one failed, and then we absolutely went down. And when this happened, altcoins were pumping like crazy. We saw massive altcoins rallies, and BTC dominance kept on going down. So this could happen. This could easily happen. However, if it is broken, and if we go even higher, I wouldn't be touching altcoins. But for now, I do believe it is a good place to get out a little bit from BTC and start focusing on altcoins. So yeah, guys, this is my market update on BTC. I hope you liked it, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.